morning and welcome back to another vlog. And we are starting this vlog in a coffee shop, and this is our hurricane breakfast. So we had a hurricane workout this morning. I'm kind of sweaty, and she just
running to him.
and yeah, so she ran to my gym, and now we are having a black coffee with English muffin and egg.
Yeah.
So it's not too bad. We are just having our hurricane. And by the way, this is international coffee. So this is Peru. And
Ethiopian coffee.
And this is, look at this. This is Ethiopia. So Ethiopian coffee. So we are having our breakfast here, and then we are gonna head back home. We already showed you in our last vlog. We are all set for the hurricane. Hurricane has taken a little turn, so we're hoping for the best. And now we're gonna go enjoy our breakfast and see you guys at home.
Guys, so we are seeing you after, I think it's 5 o'clock right now, and last time we saw you was
in the morning.
11
after
so
workout and stuff.
Latest update about the hurricane is that how many what?
Hurricane is just it's not gonna hit us directly as of now.
Yeah, as of now.
The projection of its path shows that it's not gonna hit us directly. It's gonna move alongside the coastline.
Yeah.
Potentially there could be now a warning in Georgia and Carolina.
Yeah.
Because it's moving. If it moves along the coastline and stays on that path without deviating anymore, it's potentially it could hit them now. So well, that's the latest, and we decided to keep our car with us.
Yeah.
For
thank
now,
God.
and take a quick swing because our whole house is like a black hole. It's very depressing in there. So
just going out to roam around.
We are just gonna go hit few stores, just roam around, and then
it's a Saturday, so why do you no need to sit at home? Just
we were watching a Hindi movie actually.
Yeah, we did watch
India's Most Wanted. So we were watching that movie.
We had lunch.
It's a decent movie. Based on inspired from a true story. So if you have not watched it, you can definitely watch it.
Yeah.
And I don't know, we don't have much plans for the evening. It's already evening. It's basically 5:15 now. So we are just swing by a few stores, go back, give Marvel a walk, and
let's see
then
what
just
to do.
be in the darkness.
I mean, there's electricity, there is light, but no outside lights.
There's no power outage, and we do not expect it to any power outage, at least for longer times. I wouldn't expect it. If the hurricane goes off the coast, then I won't expect long power outages. So let's see what happens. But anyways, other people, if your local authorities are advising you to evacuate because you might still experience a lot of winds and hurricane force winds, storm force winds. So if you are in those flood zones, things like that, there will still be a lot of rainfall and stuff. So if your local authorities are advising to do something, plainly put, do it.
Yes.
But yep, it's better that we are not taking a direct hit.
Yeah.
So let's hope.
We are going to TJ Maxx now because it was really boring sitting at home. We had lunch and then
we had tehri for lunch.
Yeah, we had
basically. So
potato.
People those who do not belong to North India wouldn't know what tehri is. It's basically pulao kind of thing. Masala pulao.
With cauliflower, potato, peas, tomato, ginger, and
whatever veggies you want to put in.
You can add whatever veggies you want.
But that's the classic veggies that normally we put in. And we are pretty full.
Labor Day weekend is spoiled because of the hurricane.
I mean, spoiled, and or you could say that weekend has become now super long weekend for most people.
Yeah.
And we have been talking to our neighbors, and the funny thing is that we were talking to them and we were saying, oh my god, we have already started eating our hurricane supplies.
And they have also, like,
And
everybody.
they were like, yeah, we also have started. And then I was at the gym talking to this guy, and he was like, oh, I have already started eating my hurricane supplies now. So you go 5 days before, you buy all these chips, you buy all this junk stuff to, you know, get you through the days of darkness, like when there's no electricity, when you cannot cook. And then you're not gonna wait for 5 days to open a bag of chips and eat it. So basically, you just get into the zone, start eating it. So that's pretty funny. And initially, we were making fun of ourselves that we are the ones who's doing it, but apparently it turned out
So many people are doing it.
So many people go through the same thought process, you know. So it's interesting.
Let us know in the comment section if you are one of those people who do something like that.
I mean, you go buy all these supplies and then you just start eating them even before the hurricane hits. So if you're one of those people, do comment us, and it will be fun to engage in that conversation. But yeah, people from other parts, keep an eye on this hurricane advisories, please. If you live in Georgia, if you live in North Carolina, Savannah, all those regions on the eastern coastline, keep an eye out. News and weather advisories never know exactly what's gonna happen. So always be safe, take precautions, watch out, things like that. Okay.
Anyways, we are here almost.
We are still experiencing the calm before the storm, so
It's nice
the
and
past 2
sunny.
days,
It's very bright.
Beautiful, blue skies.
I mean,
nice
the perfect weather
and
for a
sunny.
beach.
Yeah, but obviously we are not going to the beach at these times because of the rip currents, and they say
you don't really know. At this time, so
in the morning they say there could be rip currents in the sea, so you don't want to be caught in those. Okay, so we are almost here, so we are just gonna and we are not gonna bore you. You have seen TJ Maxx like
so many times.
So
but if you do wanna see one of the TJ Maxx where we did a lot of shopping, like TJ Maxx haul kind of thing, I'll link the video in the description. Do check that out. It's fun.
Yeah. And then we'll see you back home then.
Marvel, we got something for you. Look at this tail. Super excited. Yes. What did Daddy bring for you? Are you being a good boy? Babe, look behind. Are you being a good boy? Come here.
Let's go.
What did Daddy bring for you?
Let's go out first. Oh, you can go and remove it. Stay. So this is called a llama, okay? It says something like this. Sit. Okay. Sit. Yes.
Wow.
Here, take
Good boy.
Do you like a llama?
Do you like it? Yes, you are excited. Anyways, we just went to TJ Maxx. Roaming around, I got the slipper for myself. It's super comfortable and so nice.
And I got a t-shirt,
I love the color though.
Yeah, it's good color.
And then we got this pumpkin pie spice. You can make coffee, you can make muffins, whatever you want.
Wow.
That's it.
You got a llama? This is mine, Mother. Don't even look at it.
Marvel, are you happy with your llama? Are you excited that this is a hurricane gift for you? Because you're not able to go outside and play, you can play inside. Are you excited? Marvel, are you happy? I think it's your dinner time.
Llama? Hi, Llama. Hey, Llama. What was she saying to you?
Anyways, we had egg and cheese muffin because I was so hungry. And then, look at him. Well, we are gonna give him dinner now, go for a walk because the weather is nice. So, yeah. Yes, please. So yeah, nothing much is happening. We're just relaxing,
There's nothing
enjoying.
Half the stores are already shut down.
We were just roaming around and half of the stores are all closed.
Because they put up their shutters and stuff.
This cookie is so good. It's not store bought. I made it yesterday. What are you looking at, Daddy?
What's up, people? So today is the next day, Sunday, and we are expecting from the latest update, we are expecting that we may start to see the change in weather around noon, not noon, basically 3 p.m. onwards. So that's that. And right now what we are doing, we are in real rush. Our internet went out this morning, so once again, if you are not seeing the videos coming out, that might be it. And we are doing some last bit of preparations, like Tanya and I am gonna take shower, and by the time that happens, I have chopped all the veggies. Like we have cauliflower, we have eggplant in this, we have atta here all made up. I'm frying the veggies so that they can stay longer, and that's it. So that is what's going on here in the kitchen, and I'm gonna do prep. Sorry, we won't be showing all the recipes and stuff, but yes, we are just gonna do prep and walk you through and see how the weather goes today. Okay guys, so we filled up our bathtubs. The hurricane's latest update is 185 miles per hour sustained wind. The hurricane is Cat 5 and it's moving so goddamn slow that it was supposed to hit Freeport, Grand Bahamas by 3, but now it is expected to hit by 7. So that gives us a little bit of more time before we start seeing some rain and windy weather. So it is still bright and sunny outside, so that's shocking. And I think we're gonna end this vlog now because we don't know if we'll have more internet and things like that. So we wanna edit this vlog and put it out there by tonight so that it goes out. And
right now we are going to go park a garage in the garage.
Yeah,
and throw the trash.
Throw the trash, like every last minute things that we wanna clean up, because then we are gonna be just inside for next 2 days. Also, we are gonna give Marvel a walk by 5.
Whenever we can, we'll just keep giving him walk.
Because around 7 we might start having rain. Actually 6:08 is the time. We are doing the live tracking thing. And Tanya has cooked chicken curry, gobi aloo gravy, stir fry gobi aloo and peas.
Finish eating all the things before the light goes off.
Yeah, so by tomorrow,
we'll move to bread.
Yeah, we have enough food, so we keep eating maybe by Tuesday noon. And then we'll switch to the junk if the power outage happens, which may not happen for that long if we are not taking a hit. But anyways, we are gonna do that. We are gonna come back. We are just gonna cook some paratha, puri and all that stuff, keep it aside, give Mara a walk early, and that is the latest update. And we'll still try to vlog, and but we may post later. So stay safe, everybody in Florida. Stay safe, stay dry, and take care of your pets, especially. They may not even know what's going on, so
don't leave them out alone or something. Yeah,
keep them calm. You stay calm and storm it through. Oh, so that's it. Look at this little guy. He thinks he's going with us to park the car, but that ain't happening. Mommy and Daddy are gonna walk back. And by the way, you'll be surprised to know that the feel like temperature right now outside is 102 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you go out right now, you won't even know there's a hurricane coming. So anyways, that's it guys. Stay safe, stay warm, stay dry, and we'll see you guys in another vlog. Storming through the hurricane. So until then, bye.